In an era of modern warfare increasingly dominated by unmanned aerial threats, advanced fighter aircraft like the Saab JAS 39 Gripen and the American F-16 fighting Falcon are at the forefront of protecting airspace. Two recent crucial moments, the Gripen's precision IRIS-T missile kill on a drone target and the Ukrainian F-16's successful downing of a Russian drone, highlight the vital role these jets play in air defense. Examining these two events demonstrates not only their superior technical capabilities, but also their strategic impact on global security. The Saab JAS 39 Gripen, a Swedish multi-role fighter, has long been known as the people's plane, due to its efficient, flexible design and ability to operate from simple airstrips such as highways. Developed since the late 1970s, the Gripen has evolved into a 4.5 generation fighter platform with superior capabilities in air-to-air, air-to-ground, and reconnaissance missions. The latest version, the Gripen E/F, is equipped with the Raven ESO-5 AESA radar, capable of detecting small targets up to 150% further, and the Skyward GIRST system for passive detection of thermal emissions from enemy drones or aircraft. One of the Gripen's flagship weapons is the IRIS-T, infrared imaging system tail thrust vector-controlled missile, a short-range air-to-air missile manufactured by Germany's DL Defense. The IRIS-T is designed to replace the AIM-9 Sidewinder with lock-on after launch LOAL capability that allows flexible targeting even after launch, as well as high resistance to countermeasures such as flares. This missile is capable of reaching speeds of Mach 3 and targeting small objects such as drones or cruise missiles with lethal accuracy. In September 2025, the Swedish Air Force conducted a joint NATO exercise over Poland as part of an air policing mission. In an air defense simulation, a Gripen pilot launched an IRIS-T at close range against a JRV-01 jet-powered drone target. A small, 2.6 meters long, speeds up to 135 meters per second, training drone simulating an enemy UAV threat. Cockpit footage released by Swedish TV4 captured the dramatic moment. The IRIS-T missile launched from the Gripen's wingtip, guided by the helmet-mounted display system HMDS Cobra, and struck the target drone with deadly precision. The instantaneous explosion destroyed the drone, leaving debris falling to the ground. This event was not only a technical demonstration, but also a strategic message. Drones like the Russian Shahed 136 or the Houthi UAVs have become a major threat in modern conflicts, and the IRIS-T has proven effective against them. In previous tests, IRIS-T was used to shoot down a Houthi drone over the Red Sea, demonstrating its capability against small, fast targets. Integrating IRIS-T with the Gripen allows the jet to carry up to 2 of these short-range missiles alongside 6 long-range meteors, creating a large no-escape zone for adversaries. This exercise underscores the Gripen's role within the NATO alliance, particularly after Sweden joins in 2024, where the jet is poised to protect Europe's eastern borders from mass drone incursions. While the Gripen shines in NATO exercises, Ukraine's F-16 fighting Falcon has become a symbol of resilience on the real battlefield. Since being handed over by Western allies in August 2024, the F-16 has become the backbone of Ukraine's air defense against Russian missile and drone attacks. These jets, with their APG-68 radars and the ability to carry AIM-9 Sidewinder or AIM-120 AMRAAM, are designed for versatile missions, including the interception of the inexpensive but deadly Shahed drones. The Ukraine-Russia conflict has seen a dramatic increase in the use of drones, with Russia launching hundreds of Shaheds per night to bombard civilian cities. The F-16, while vulnerable to ground fire, has proven effective in this role, thanks to the support of ground defense systems like the Patriot. One of the most iconic moments occurred on June 28, 2025, during the largest Russian airstrike involving 477 drones and 60 ballistic missiles against 6 Ukrainian regions. Ukrainian F-16 pilot, Lieutenant Colonel Maxim Ustimenko, flew an interception mission over Kyiv. In OSINT footage released later, the F-16 approached a Shahed 136 drone from behind at a distance of hundreds of meters, launched an AIM-9 Sidewinder missile, and destroyed it in a single precision shot. The explosion lit up the night sky, destroying the drone before it could reach its civilian target. Ustimenko successfully shot down 7 targets, including 6 drones, before his aircraft was damaged by Russian missile debris and crashed in a remote area. While tragic, his actions saved civilian lives in Smila and Cherkasy, where Russian drone debris damaged buildings. President Volodymyr Zelensky praised Ustimenko as a hero who had protected Ukraine since 2014, emphasizing the F-16's role in shooting down dozens of drones during the attack. This was one of many incidents in which the F-16 proved its military value, even though Ukraine has lost 4 jets since 2024 due to the intensity of the fighting. These 2 moments illustrate the evolution of modern air warfare. IRIS-T on the Gripen offers a precision solution to asymmetric threats like drones, while the Ukrainian F-16 demonstrates how Western jets can change the dynamics of conventional conflict. However, challenges remain: high operational costs, vulnerability to Russian air defenses, and the need for pilot training. For NATO, the Gripen's success in Poland strengthened Sweden's commitment, while the sacrifices in Ukraine prompted the supply of more F-16s and missiles. Amid global tensions, these events remind us that innovations like IRIS-T and the courage of pilots are key to keeping the skies safe. With the ever-growing drone threat, jets like the Gripen and the F-16 are not just weapons, but symbols of hope in the era of hybrid warfare. As one military analyst put it, one precision shot can change the fate of thousands of lives.